Crews from 12 different agencies and Oklahoma Forestry Service wind down watchfully Thursday night into Friday morning. 2 days into round-the-clock battling of this wildfire on the Rogers County line with Craig County, threatening 10 homes and forcing evacuations.
Yeah, it's a crazy time right now because a lot of this, a lot of these firemen, deal with stuff like this, but this is such a heavy wooded area that you don't see this very much.
Chelsea Fire Chief Craig Sampson says the cause is unknown, but protecting life and livelihood is the biggest victory so far.
We do have everything contained around any house that's around this fire, so as of right now, there's no more evacuations and everybody's homes are safe.
But they are amazing. Our firefighters are amazing.
Anna Weaver got a close-up view of how dangerous protecting these homes is. If you're wondering how these homes are able to stay intact and these families stay safe despite being just feet away from open flames and trees being scorched, look here in the distance. Bulldozers clearing trees and dirt so that flames cannot spread on ground as easily.
I'm freshly starting over, so for something like that to happen and then have to start over again, I can't imagine. And the whole drive, and you're helpless though. What can you do with the fire,
With 220 acres burned and counting, Chief Sampson says only 30% is contained, but as no homes are expected to be in danger, bulldozing and monitoring hotspots will continue.
Right now, just say a prayer for your firemen, because right now they could really use it. We have about 40 firemen on scene to this call alone.
This will be going on for days. If that wind picks up and as dry as it stays, this will be going on.
In Rogers County, Samson Tamajani, 2 News, Oklahoma.